Y'all, I went to IKEA the other day, got some good food. And now it's time for the haul. Y'all ready? I know I am. I haven't gone to an IKEA in 2 years. 2! Where do we start? Where do we start? Okay, I got these two little basic plant pots. Should have bought 3, but I didn't. I got 2 pillowcases. How about this? I wanted this. It's like a little, what is this called? Like a squeegee thing, like to wash, like, I don't know, you know, squeak, squeak. What the hell? Bought this plant, this fake plant. Yes. Got this reusable bag, but nobody cares about that. Guys, y'all ready? Oh, hey. This is a watering can, if you didn't know. POV water not hurt. POV. Got this, look, what is this called? I really don't know what this is. This is for a light because, get it. Let me go freaking get it. Let me go. Are you kidding? It's a paper freaking lamp. It's a paper lamp. I bought a paper lamp. Yes. I bought a freaking paper lamp. And it was this was $5. Are you kidding me? Oh. Hello? Hey. Lastly, let's go see. Is my freaky cat trying to bite the fake plant? He fucking is. What the hell? Last but not freaking least. I bought a shelf. Y'all seen this? Which we're gonna go build right freaking now. We're gonna go build a shelf right freaking now. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Okay. Thing in, which is it's time to build this fucking shelf. Hey. Hopefully it's not too complicated. I don't think it will be complicated. Y'all want a time lapse or something? I don't know. So loud. That was really easy. Now the moment of truth, whether this is gonna fit right here in my room. Definitely will. Oh, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. Oh, I love this. Where? Okay, I have to. Wait, I didn't think that through, but I have to lower that. Doesn't look equal, but wait, it looks cool, but I have to because y'all know what I'm talking about, like it's not in the middle at all. It's not in the middle at all. Hey, time to decorate it. I love it. I don't know what to do. I don't know how. I'm loving the look. I'm not sure if I want to keep it like that, but for now I do love the look. Let's put the records on. Girl, put your records on. Y'all, it's so crazy because that's exactly what I had in my mind. And now it's like here. Oh, the lighting. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I'm obsessed. I low-key want to put my paper lamp like here. Yeah, definitely will. It's gonna look super cool. Yeah, do I put my paper lamp? Also, I'm really scared that my cat like attacks my paper lamp. He can easily like climb on my headboard and like, I don't know, jump on it to attack it or something. So let's hope he doesn't. Y'all, I'm actually so fucking, I am so obsessed. It's not even funny. Are you kidding me right now? I did figure it out. But are you kidding me? This is so cute. Okay, we're gonna put it on the ceiling now, so that's the scary part. Okay, because I obviously want it here, right? What the hell? Yay! Wait, what the hell? Wait, what? Okay, I think it's like this. Like that? I think this is it. Yo, I think I did it. I think I did it. Wait, I love that. I really love that. Wait. And if the cord still pisses me off tomorrow, then I will put it like in the corner where it's less noticeable. Yo, I'm obsessed. Oh, no, because my room is giving. Are you fucking kidding? Oh. Y'all, I didn't film an outro. I look crazy. Final look at the room before I go. Final look at the room before I leave. Leave where? Hey. Okay, thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Bye. Bye.